Hey guys, it's Grace here. I'm the founder of Birdy Gray, and I just got in a really big swatch order from our summer collection. All of these new colors are meant to be mixed and matched, including the prints. In fact, you'll find a lot of these colors incorporated into these custom prints, so it's super easy to mix and match. Okay, so first up, my favorite palette this summer is Icy Pastels. You've got a gorgeous, yummy lemon sorbet, pale pistachio, peaches and cream, dusty lilac, and mist blue. We were highly inspired by Dylan Sprouse and Barbara Pelvin's wedding last year, where they had bridesmaids in a smattering of really light, frosty pastel shades. Of the Icy Pastels, I'd say my two favorite colors are Mist Blue. This is a really pretty frosty light blue, and then Lemon Sorbet. We were also inspired by Taylor Hill's wedding last year, and she did bridesmaids in this gorgeous dusty lilac color. Another palette that I'm loving is what I call Hot Italian Summer, and it features a nice bright coral pink with accents of blue and lemon. It just reminds me of summer on the Amalfi Coast. If you want to have some fun with florals, I would say pair our Apricot Whimsical Blooms with Peaches and Cream and Pale Pistachio for a beautiful light palette. You can also swap in this white blurred floral. If you want to have some fun, you can also add a layer of green. Order your free swatches on birdygray.com. Bye.